Welcome, here I've got Doogee S40 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on right corner button. And here we are. Now let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings. And here we can find mirror switch option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.